welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. It is fall time and we need good family meals. So my friend Kara is here to help us make what?
We are making fall French chicken, Mercedes.
Oh, tell everybody how you made it.
Oh, this is one of my favorite dishes. So I chopped up some Granny Smith apple, some squash, some sweet potato, some corn, some Brussels sprouts and red onion. Gave it a nice Thai massage with some avocado oil. I sprinkle my favorite seasoning blend on there.
Yeah.
After I did that, I get it all oiled up, put it on a sheet tray. Then I take my chicken. And then I make sure I wash my chicken. Please wash your chicken, people. Wash your chicken with some lime and some vinegar. Once you wash that, get it seasoned nice generously, put it on your sheet pan, preheat your oven to 400, and then voila magic.
Oh, this looks so good. What made you pick this dish?
It's my favorite dish because it's an immunity boosting dish. It has turmeric in it, some onions, some garlic, all of the things with cold and flu season coming to keep you and your family protected.
I love this. I love this. And it's economical. That's
Yes,
what I love.
Is. It's
I'm gonna try
very
it.
affordable. Yes. Oh, before you do, I got to get you with some of that spicy Dijon sauce on there. Maple
And that
Dijon.
recipe will be online, friends. It will be online.
Absolutely. So give that a try and tell me what you think.
Okay,
And
so as far as pricing.
As far as pricing goes, it is so economical. So if it's just you and a significant other, this meal breaks down to $3.25 per serving, and you can have at least up to 6 servings. So for those who meal prep, this is the perfect meal. And if you have kiddos, you're gonna have some leftovers.
So saving money and helping our community. Tell everybody what you do.
Well, I work at the Charter School for Applied Technologies. We are the largest charter school in New York State. We have a host of programs from our youngest learners from kindergarten all the way to 12th grade, where career exploration is the thing.
I tell you what, Kara is amazing. And so is this chicken and this vegetable. Oh my gosh. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this whole recipe. Recipes for 7 Life would like to thank Close Mentor.